Unraveling the Mystery of English Idioms. Hello there! Welcome to another exciting video where we demystify the English language, step by step. Today, we're delving into an interesting and, sometimes, puzzling part of the English language, idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we're going to discuss strategies you can use to learn and understand these idioms. If you've ever scratched your head wondering what phrases like, kick the bucket, or, spill the beans, mean, this video is for you. Idiomatic expressions, or idioms, are phrases or expressions that do not mean exactly what the words say. They have a figurative meaning, which is different from the literal meaning. For example, the idiom, "It's raining cats and dogs," doesn't mean that pets are falling from the sky. It simply means that it's raining heavily. Why bother learning these strange phrases? Well, idiomatic expressions are a big part of daily conversations in English. They add color to our language and make it richer. So, understanding idioms can help you better understand English conversations and also sound more like a native speaker yourself. Now, let's dive into some strategies that can help you learn idiomatic expressions. 1. Context is key. Often, the situation in which an idiom is used can provide clues to its meaning. So, when you hear or read an idiom, pay attention to the context. 2. Use a dictionary or an app. Many English language dictionaries and apps provide definitions and examples of idiomatic expressions. 3. Practice, practice, practice. The more you use idioms, the more familiar they will become. Try to use idioms in your conversations, writings, or even think about them in your thoughts. 4. Keep a record. When you come across a new idiom, write it down. Note its meaning and try to write a sentence using the idiom. This will help cement the idiom in your memory. One great way to practice idioms is to make them part of your storytelling. Take a common story, like Cinderella or The Three Little Pigs, and try to rewrite it using as many idioms as you can. This exercise will not only make you practice idioms but also make the learning process fun. And that wraps up our discussion on idiomatic expressions and how you can master them. Remember, idioms are not meant to intimidate you. Instead, they're there to enrich the language and make it more interesting. So, don't let idioms get your goat. That's another idiom, by the way, meaning don't let them upset you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms as naturally as a native speaker. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,